Les, what's the difference between a will and a power of attorney?
Well, let's talk with the Grand Canyon. On one side of the Grand Canyon, you have life, which is where the power of attorney is. And on the other side of the Grand Canyon, you have death, and that's where the will is. Now, on the side of the power of attorney, there's two power of attorneys generally. One is financial and one is medical. The financial power of attorney is somebody you appoint to look after your finances in case you're unable to do it. So for example, you're in a car accident, you may be 18, you may be 80, you may be in a hockey injury where you lose your capacity. Somebody can manage your money. Somebody you trust should be appointed on that document and have a backup in case they can't do it. So you could appoint your wife, for example, or your husband in the other case, and then maybe one of your adult kids or all of your adult kids as a backup.
Okay, now tell us about the health power of attorney.
The health power of attorney deals with medical issues. Who's going to make medical decisions in your behalf? What if you're incompetent and you can't tell the doctor what you want? Who's going to make those decisions for you? Again, you can appoint your spouse, you can appoint your children. The word attorney and power of attorney doesn't mean you appoint a lawyer. It means you appoint somebody maybe in your family, somebody you trust, to do that for you. Within the medical power of attorney, you can also put what's called a living will, which is a directive saying, I don't want to be kept alive by tubes and machines if there's no hope. So that's in a medical power of attorney. You have what's called a who I'm appointing, and what. What do I want done if I'm sick? Some people don't want to be kept alive by machines, so we would put a living will into their document.
Okay, very quickly in closing, Les, a lot of people understand the need to have a will. Do you think it's as well understood that we also need powers of attorney?
No, people don't understand how important those two documents are. Those are two of the most important documents you will ever sign the rest of your life.
Okay, so you don't just want a will, you want a will and two powers of attorney.
Absolutely.
Thanks, Les.
Thank you.